Hi everyone, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and today is a big day because we are celebrating, thanks to you guys, our 5,000 subscriber giveaway contest, and we made it, and we did it, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate all your support and encouragement along the way, and I wanted to show my thank you by offering this gift as a prize for the 5,000 subby contest, which will be drawn on December 1st. And the only things that you need to do are like, subscribe. If you've subscribed already, that's fine. You don't need to resubscribe. And comment and let me know if you have made a journal or not. I kind of want to get to know my audience as to have they made a journal yet or not made a journal yet, or where are you in the process? Let me know. And you're more than welcome to share what kinds of journals and things like that. But so that's it. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments whether you have made a journal or not yet. There's no right or wrong answer to that, by the way. Okay, so let's get to see what the prize is. Okay, so this time it's going to be a journal kit, and this is actually a repurposed book cover, and the inside is completely new. It's a Psalter hymnal cover in this beautiful green. Of course, it is old, so it does have some tatters on it, but that's, I think, lends to the charm. And it's really a beautiful cover. So let's take a peek inside. And I would call this a naked journal because, you know, mine tend to be a little chubby. But you could actually leave the journal as is and it's complete. Or I'm going to give you a whole pile of stuff to play with. So if you want to, you know, goose it up, you can. Okay, so inside, let's take a peek. And apparently this journal was originally, or this book was from 1947 on Palm Sunday. And there's a little, I'm just going to do a very quick flip through, and then I'm going to show you the stuff. And that's pretty much it. So there are some general tucks with lots of stuff tucked in. I did some cute little ugly buttons turned pretty, made into page tabs. There are 3 signatures in this journal. And let's see. There's a belly band with some postcards, an old vintage ephemera, lots of blank pages for writing on, some tucked in things in little corners. There's lots of sewing in this journal, random pages from all sorts of different old books, calendars, things like that, music pages, decoupaged flowers occur in this book, more sewing. Mama's learning. And little tucks and pulls and fun things to explore. All sorts of goodies in here, little prompts. Here's some Edith Holden pages, some coffee dyed pages, and library cards, old computer Scantron cards, some postcards, fabric tucks, and some tickets decorated. Here's another one of those tabs, another belly band. Some botanical books, more, here's some embossed glassine bag, lots of tucks with lots of goodies, and big tuck here with all sorts of stuff, a recipe card in it. Here's some eco-dyed paper, some tearaways, and here's a little one of those to write on with a little lace pocket here, another little cute tab. Very cute. Okay. More little pockets, some ephemera, more tucks, all sorts of different pages, some buttons, some old stamps, little tearaways, pockets, sewing, more coffee dyeing, all sorts of fun to be had. And in here, here's this is an old card from 1939. I believe it's a Christmas card. Yep, and it has the Christmas card still in it. Oh, well, trust me, it's still in it. And there's another recipe card in the back with the belly band here. And there's the back cover, blank, for you to decorate if you so choose. So this is the main journal, and it will be accompanied by its friends. And its friends are 3 little envelopes. And in the envelopes, you have a package of random stamps, and they're wrapped in embroidery thread, just something fun for you to play with. And they're in little glassine bags. And this is random stickers of all different kinds, just fun ones I put in here. Thought you might have fun peeling those off. And here's just some bling. Everybody needs a little bling every once in a while. And this is all embroidery thread on here. And you have the glassine bags with that. And then here is a nice collection of authentic vintage ephemera. Some of this dates back to the late 1800s through the early 1900s, most of it. Some might be in the 50s, but I think most of it is pretty old. There's pictures and postcards and envelopes and checks, receipts. There's some ledger. There's a telegram. There's some children's drawing and some other goodies in there. I've wrapped it all up already, so it's all set to go. But so those of you who have not had a chance or an opportunity to get your hands on some true antique papers, this is your big chance. Okay. And here is some random ephemera. It's just fun stuff. There is a little bit of vintage stuff in here too. There's some authentic seed packs and milk tab, tiny cards, old coupons. There's an old Valentine card in here, receipts, a bag, just all sorts of random fun things that you can play with to put in your journal if you so choose. So there you have it. And I'm going to put the official rules and all the disclaimers and all of that down below this video. And this is going to be wrapped in the Sari silk ribbon. So I hope you like that. I hope you think you might have some fun playing with this. And I truly want to thank each and every one of you very much for your support and helping me grow this channel and spread the word that crafting can be fun and simple. So that's really what I want to get out there to everybody. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'm putting out more videos. I have all sorts of ideas coming your way, and that's pretty much it. So thank you again, and back to crafting, everybody. Take care, and thanks.